If the Habs are going to make their playoffs, they'll have to slay a few dragons along the way, including the biggest beast of all this year in the NHL, the Tampa Bay Lightning, a team threatening to be the best regular season team in NHL history. And if Montreal does make it, this is a likely first-round opponent, so don't shy away from it. Face it up front, and let's see what you got.
Victor Mete in the corner. As Palat, a good job to try and get that puck free. It's released. Domi's there. Kucherov in front. Carey Price. What a poke check early. In front again. Oh, scores off Domi and in. Awful goal from the corner. And they'll credit Stamkos. What a brutal start for the Montreal Canadiens.
Can't get much worse than that for Montreal. Nice poke check on Kucherov, and then Domi knows that Kucherov is back there somewhere, and he tries to knock it down with his knee and just bunts it right past Carey Price. No chance for Price.
And Lehkonen's on it towards the net, and he missed by Pasquale into the blue line. Long shot tipped to Pasquale. His first real good save of the hockey game. Stretched up Cirelli with a step, and Petrie, a nice job defensively.
And the Canadiens are trying to follow instructions. Everything heading towards the net.
December 4th is only win 6-5 in a shootout. Petrie, wrist shot, and right on as the goalie pretty happy to hold.
Is impressive.
First team in the salary cap era to 60 wins, and for John Cooper, he hopes that will continue to mount in the playoffs. Tatar in front, Danault jams at it, still loose, they jam away and finally blow it down with Gallagher and Danault all over Eddie Pasquale.
That's fantastic work out of the corner.
Tatar back up top for Drouin. Center cross for Petrie. Drouin, one-time shot, kick stop, rebound loose, Danault fires it high and wide. Oh, he had an open cage up top. What pressure from the Montreal Canadiens.
Penalty killing responsibilities, and they've gone from way at the bottom to the top.
Paul Byron back to the lineup. In front, Thompson waits, fires, scores! What a time for your first goal as a Montreal Canadien. Nate Thompson ties it up.
Welcome back to the lineup, Paul Byron. This is what he brings. Pace to the forecheck. He gets that puck first, throws it out in front, and they get a fortunate bounce. Off a skate of a Lightning defender, kicks it out to Nate Thompson, and Montreal deservedly draws back even now. Shots 13 to halves.
As the 13s play give and take. Cross-country pass for Lehkonen, up for Jordy Ben, quickly to Folin. Wrist shot, in front of scramble, Shaw's on it, wrap around Shaw, he missed. As Andrew Shaw had a pretty good look, but he couldn't get it on net. Philip Danault, nice play. Backhand for Gallagher, and away goes Montreal. Maybe a 2-on-1. Gallagher with space. Brendan Gallagher fires. Glove stop. Pasquale. Wow. In his second NHL game, maybe one of the best saves of his career.
And he's got top corner labeled. Beautiful little pass from Tatar. Quick release. And Pasquale, very nice save.
Under 2 minutes to go in this first period. As Jordy Ben collects it for the Montreal Canadiens, chips it up high. Home run pass for Byron. Paul Byron in, fires. Pasquale stops him.
This coming at Pasquale in waves right now.
Chernak for Tampa right in front of the Habs bench. Pushed off the puck. Gallagher one-on-one. Brendan Gallagher space. Shoots Pasquale. Makes another big stop. Back up for Joseph out of his reach. And played back in for Jordan Wheel. Wheel curls around for Weber with Weber. Across. Fires Pasquale. Drouin. How did that not go in as Jonathan Drouin is beside himself as Eddie Pasquale? Are you kidding me? Another stop. Adam Ernie trying to dance around the blue line. Upended Armia. Had it. Lost it. Chernak's on it. Chernak tries a shot. Has it front. Scores. Cedric Paquette tips it in, and he makes it 2-1. 13th goal of the season for Cedric Paquette, and it silences the crowd here at the Bell Center.
No one ties up Paquette's stick as Folin sees him coming, but loses inside position, comes over top of the stick. You got to get underneath it to find leverage coming over top.
Braden Point, Danault, nice move at the blue line. Phil Danault, try to hit Tatar in stride. Tatar collects it. Yoel Armia in, fire stop, rebound, Armia, open net, and he missed. Scores! What a shot, Yoel Armia from below the goal line, and he ties it up at 2.
Heads-up play by Armia, and he evened things up on some crazy goals tonight.
His 13th goal of the season, and now goals in back-to-back games for Yoel Armia. Had 12 goals with the Jets last season, and now 13 here with the Montreal Canadiens, and maybe none bigger than that one. 15 games without a goal. Another guy snake bitten as Drouin releases. And Pasquale to stop. Again, Armia dangling in. Armia behind the net, tries to wrap it in. He jams away, and they finally blow it down. An impact player in this game is Brendan Gallagher. Loaded up. Shot didn't get through to the net. Thomas Tatar right in front. Gallagher, quick strike, and he missed. Max Domi has a look, flips it across for Tatar. Tatar, left wing. Down low for Domi. Up for Petrie. Petrie, slap shot. Tip, rebound in front. Tatar, wraparound try, still in the crease.
Now they got
Drops it
6.
off. Oh, my goodness. Who knows, maybe without a full Tampa somehow on this power play. Max Domi. Tatar winds up, glove stop. Eddie Pasquale.
Tatar ends up with a one-timer. Pasquale tracks it and makes a pretty nice save.
Nice job from Shaw. Habs control off the draw. Sent across for Tatar. Back up to Petrie. Domi wanted the one-timer, had to settle down. Wrist a rebound, and clear out of the way by Chernak just in time. Nate Thompson over the blue line. Still with it, the backhand, and he drives the net. Nice job from Nate Thompson. Goes to work, hit by Colbert. Kakaniemi in front, chip shot. What a stop, Pasquale on Byron. Pass in front for Ernie, broken up by Drouin. Armia gets spun around, but he moves it up for Wheel. Turning Wheel with speed, Wheels in to the backhand, tip wide by Drouin. Up top, big shot, Bolin, kick stop, Pasquale. Nice burst from Jonathan Drouin on that play as Miller sends it across, backhand, Price got it up on Ernie and stopped him. Wow, great entertainment here in this third period, the opening minutes. Around the net, Chernak back up to the blue line, down low, in deep is Kucherov, shot stopped by Price, robbing Chernak, who was jumping up into the play. I mistaken him for Stamkos earlier in the game, and he shot like a point, fires, big stop, Carey Price.
He's flagging him tonight.
28-year-old having a strong hockey game. Right in front, like a kick stop. Mete, wrist shot off the post. My goodness. Another shot, and this time Pasquale holds Victor Mete. Are you kidding me? Andrew Shaw whacking with the backhand. Spins, still loose. Mete again, waits, wrist shot. Fluttering puck in front. Scores! Arturi Lehkonen whacks it in. Montreal leads here in the third.
Tampa Bay is challenging goaltender interference on the play, hitting the glove.
Okay, so they're going to challenge goalie interference, not high stick, which or can't challenge. No. He hits the puck.
After video review, there's no goaltender interference.
Brings that physical style of play to this fourth line. Arturi Lehkonen, wide open. Max Domi fires, scores! Oh, what a goal! Max Domi!
Domi steps in. That's a quick release for Domi's 28th of the season. And he gets his head up here and wonders, where is everybody? And what a huge goal for Domi and the Canadiens, extending the lead to 2.
In front point, a weak shot. He couldn't get good wood on it, and it goes into the corner. Held at the line. Kucherov, here circle in front, and tip wide as Palat had to stick down. He couldn't finish. Time winds down, and what a win on home ice for the Montreal Canadiens.
Good time for maybe their best game of the year. I mean, it really was from start to finish, even with the difficult goal against. And Montreal just kept on rolling.